Now let's add these two windows. I'm going to dimension these 3 feet by 6 feet, and we'll put them 3 feet off of the sill be at 3 feet, and we'll directly align it in this area here and right above our door. So let's get to the south elevation, and let's grab some windows. So I'm going to grab window, and we have that first window that we made, and actually we could just place it just to get a start here. And let's go ahead and I'm just going to grab this and we'll go to edit type and we'll duplicate it, and we're going to make this a 36 by 60. Get rid of the 2, and then so our height will be 5 feet, will be 3 foot off of the sill, and the window width will be 3 feet. And we still have the dark trim and everything else that went along with that. And so there we are placed with it. And now let's just try to get it centered. So I'm going to move this witness line over until we're touching the side of our bump out. It says that it is centered. I got 4 foot on both sides. And the only other thing is it's probably not our sill height, since I randomly placed it, is not 3 feet up. So I'll do 3 foot 0. And then what I'll do is I'll duplicate that down, copy, and just grab it and then move it down exactly 10 feet because that's our spacing, our level spacing. And now what we've got to do is figure out how to get our doorway, our door now centered in that same way. So I might try to create a model line, pick a plane. This is always a little more in, and I'm going to come to the center of this, and I'll come down until I touch the top of this. And I must have drawn a rectangle instead of a line. Most of the time I'm grabbing the other tool here. Let me just undo that completely because I've got more lines than I want. Model line, straight line, and then I'm going to grab this, use the move tool, and hopefully be able to use that model line to get us lined up right under that. And then I'm just going to delete that reference model line that I put in there. Okay, so let's look at it from a 3D view. And so we're all set with our elevation. So we really accomplished quite a bit. The next big task will be to create the garden walls and all of the associated steps and planters.